welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a coconut cream pound cake. For our ingredients, we have salted butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, a box of instant vanilla pudding mix, all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, heavy cream, sweetened shredded coconut. For our vanilla cream glaze, we have powdered sugar, heavy cream, pure vanilla extract, and toasted coconut. The first thing you want to do, you want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Next, we're going to butter our butternut pan, and we're going to flour it. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to cream together our butter and our sugar. And here we're adding our butter to our mixer. Now we're going to add our whisk attachment. And what I like to do, I like to cream my butter for about 5 minutes before adding in my sugar. So we're going to add our sugar in, and we're just going to mix that together for another 5 minutes. And here is our butter and our sugar. It is nice and fluffy, as you can see here I'm showing you. Now I'm going to add my paddle attachment. And here I'm going to start adding in my eggs one at a time. We do have 6 eggs. And we're going to make sure that each egg is mixed in well before we add our additional eggs. So we're just going to speed through this part. Simple. Next, we have our vanilla instant pudding, and we're just going to add that. Next, we're going to add in you can use vanilla extract, but I use vanilla bean paste. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my vanilla bean paste. Next, I'm going to add my coconut extract, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of that also. We're going to make sure that is mixed in well. Once we beat in our vanilla and our pudding and our coconut extract, we're going to lower our speed of our mixer, and we're going to begin to add our flour and our cream alternating. Once your flour and your cream is completely combined, we're going to scrape down the sides. And next we're going to add our 1 cup of shredded coconut, and we just want to mix that in by hand. You want to mix that in really well. Next, we're going to spread our batter evenly into our pan. In here, I'm just going to bounce it on the counter to settle and remove any air bubbles. You want to bake your cake anywhere from 80 to 90 minutes or until a cake tester inserted until the cake comes back clean. We're going to cool our pan for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to turn out my cake and look at that cake. It is so beautiful. This cake is yummy. So next we're going to move on to making our vanilla cream glaze. In a small bowl, we're going to whisk together our powdered sugar and our vanilla extract. And I did add a little coconut extract to it too. And you just want to mix it until your consistency that you like. I did add a little bit more than 4 tablespoons of heavy cream to mine. I like a creamy texture to my glaze. So we mix that really well, and here's our toasted coconut. And now we're just going to drizzle our glaze on the top. I did pause for a minute because my cake was a little bit too hot. And here you can see that I end up drizzling a little bit more on the top of my cake. We're going to garnish with our toasted coconut. And here is our yummy coconut cream pound cake. Today, we made a coconut cream pound cake. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.